So I'm gonna take a little bit of this. I already did some, so I'm not gonna take too much. Rub it between my hands. I'm gonna focus on the ends and not on the roots. Just because I don't want it to be too oily. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my Bumble & Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Primer. I actually just bought the full-size bottle of this today with my Ulta points. I'm very excited. I'm just at the very bottom. This is a sample, as you can tell. I love it for on dry hair too, because I feel like it makes it really fluffy. Great for second day hair, but the biggest thing is that it helps with damage. So it helps protect your hair from damage. And I have a lot of damage near the front of my hair. So I try to focus it kind of like in the front where I tend to spend most of the time with my iron. Next, I'm taking my Hot Tools curling iron. Let's see if I can get a good angle on this. Okay. Hot Tools, this is like 1 1/4, I think, size barrel. So it's not the biggest, which is like 2 inches, and it's not a 1 inch, and it's not 1 1/2. That gets pretty big. It's just a little bit smaller. So, a little bit smaller than the 2 inch. So what I'm gonna do is go in here. You wanna curl away from the face. Then I'm gonna hold it there for a second. See if I can get you guys a good view. And then I'm just gonna release. I really should do this in better sections, but I'm in a hurry. So what's new, right? I'm always late, always in a hurry. So I'm gonna clamp down there. You can see the end of it is still here. It's not wrapped up in the barrel. I'm gonna release a little bit, spin it out, release again. Aha. So I learned this technique from an Instagram video. Yeah, I just found it, oh geez, just found it on Instagram one day, and they were just talking about how it's a really good technique for just sort of that kind of undone look, which I'm all about. Don't like my curls to be too tight. Oh, try not to burn the face, and I don't like them to be like ringlets. I know they look like ringlets now, but they will not towards the end. So I try not to like comb my fingers through them till the end, just because they will fall eventually. So let's not do that prematurely. So here's what we're gonna do. Start at the front, curl away from the face. Okay, Harvey, you're gonna have to move. Brush it through. We're not going to let the curls just sit that tight. And then let's go to this side, comb through, comb through. I'm going to take some of the Elvive oil again, and we're not going to take as much. BT Dub, I got this from Influencer. You guys should get Influencer if you haven't already. Get it on the fingertips, warm it up, and I'm just going to stay on the ends here. I'm not gonna go up too high on the roots. This is the Kristen S Dry Finish Working Texture Spray. So you don't get a lot of shine on this. Really don't get any shine, and I kind of use it almost as my dry shampoo. I don't have a dry shampoo right now, but I use this. So I do every morning. I lift up top root right here, let that sit for a second before I mess with it too much. Since I don't have a lot, I'm gonna use it sparingly. I did clean off the gunk from the top too, because it wasn't coming out. And then I'm gonna take a little bit in the back. Now we're gonna focus on the front, and what you're gonna be able to tell that it's gonna take away It's not gonna be as tight. It's gonna be a little bit more voluminous. So shake it up. I'm just gonna spray it now on the bottom. Oh yeah, it's coming out, yes. A little bit on the root. Underneath. And then I'm going to push it through my roots. Ooh, there's some volume. So it's Extra Hold Hairspray, Sebestian Shaper Plus. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, like tiny bit. I'm not doing full on spritz right here. I'm just kind of putting it on the ends, just so I can get a little bit more volume here. Okay, so here we are. Really easy. This was, as far as like post blow dry styling, drugstore, basically drugstore, Target. And this is from Ulta, but I actually, of course, bought this when it was crazy. They were doing a day where all of their Sebestian hairspray was like $10, and I feel like it's normally 20 bucks, or it's between $18 and $22. I don't know, but $10, and I think I had a $5 coupon too, so I got it for $5. You should never buy anything full price in 2018. Like, why would you need to do that? So coupons galore. And then if I wanted to be really crazy and really voluminous, I would flip my part. And that's really fun. I do this on days that my hair's a little dirty because it doesn't want to sit middle part. So yeah, that's a fun way to do it too. I would just advise not curling it like this. Curl it when it's down the middle and then flip it. So that's what I would do. But yeah. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you'll get notified whenever I post something new. I'll see you guys next time.